October is the Cancer Awareness Month, and I wish to encourage all ladies here and beyond to go for testing. Remember, better late than never. As some of you may be aware, NIPS Technical College is a place whereby you get all the information to our students and also out there for the people on so many issues like parenting and depression, and creating awareness of people going to see counselors whenever they may be having a problem. So today I'm here to talk about this month, and I would urge all of you people out there to go and be tested, because it's better late than never. Some of us may be experiencing that, but we don't know, because initially it doesn't pain. So it's good to confirm by being tested by experts.